Lovelies! I'm so happy you're here today while I decorate for spring and Easter and get more spring cleaning accomplished. For lots of stylish, lovely spring decor inspiration on a budget, laundry, spring cleaning motivation and inspiration, stay tuned. For decor ideas, cleaning and laundry tips and techniques, I have so much motivation and inspiration coming your way today. I have enjoyed decorating for spring and Easter so much this year. I can't wait to show you all the decorations. Please hit that like button if you enjoy any of today's video and subscribe for weekly homemaking motivation and inspiration. I am loving sharing with you. It makes me so happy that you're here to decorate for spring and Easter and clean with me today. I begin my cleaning days by organising my laundry into colour loads so I can get my washing machine churning as early as possible to get as much laundry washed and dried and put away. My favourite fabric conditioner is Kiss by Lenore. I love when my clothes smell fresh. When you get that whiff of loveliness, it always puts a smile on my face, and I like to take satisfaction from the little things. Fill my days with lots of little smiles. And that's what this Easter decor is like for me. When I see a new decoration, it just fills me with smiles. Or when I get something really clean, and you'll see today I get some things really clean, and then it just fills me with smiles every time I see it. I've added washing powder and warm water to this bowl, then I'm adding my slightly stained fabrics to soak for a few hours, so when they come out of the washing machine later, they will be perfect. For my surfaces, I use Pledge Clean It spray. I find it really does keep the dust away fantastically. I get so much joy from making things clean and decorating my home, filling it with care and love. I hope you do too. You're doing a great job. Let's get decorating. I am so happy that I found these. I think they're going to work perfectly in here, so let's get this finished. You got me out of this feverish dream. These glass beads I know I can use again and again. They make the vase bottom heavy, which is great because we have pups, and it completes this look just perfectly. Have you decorated for spring or Easter? If you have, let me know your very favourite piece this year. I'm surprised how much my husband appreciates the pretty decor every time I switch it up each season. New decor makes me smile each time I look at it, and all my pieces come from our budget shop Jumbo. You don't have to spend a lot to put smiles on faces. To me, it's a thought and effort that counts. It shows you care. I'm really taken with these floral egg displays. Perhaps it's the bright colours that I really love, but I find them adorable. They really bring life into the room. We're having a cold snap, so the pups are enjoying the warmth of the fire. This area was deep cleaned just the other week, so just a quick vacuum and a quick wipe down, and then we can start decorating. What do you think? So, the love hearts are coming off and the eggs are going on. Let's do it and see how it turns out. If it's a disaster, I guess the tree's coming down. Sweetheart. We really enjoyed turning our Christmas tree into a Valentine's Day tree this year. We felt it really worked perfectly. So we were game to see if decorating for Easter would work too. I've been waiting all my life for something. I found these pastel coloured eggs. They're all ready to hang, so that's perfect. Some are speckled with gold and that looks just lovely. And the others, they're covered in what looks like hundreds and thousands of candy. That's really sweet. I got these from Jumbo and the Flying Tiger. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. I think this would have looked adorable if I could have filled it with these eggs and those eggs, but I don't have enough left. I wish I'd bought more, but for next year for sure, I will buy more of these pastel eggs and fill this vase as a lovely centerpiece for my table. So, what do you think? You have to share your thoughts with me on my Easter tree. I actually adore it. It brings life and love to the corner of this room. I did not think I was going to like it, but actually, each day since, I've rearranged the location of the eggs, and now I think it looks just perfect. Great. time to unload the washing machine and get the next load set away. To keep printed t-shirts looking pristine, I like to turn them inside out and then protect the print or the writing with tight hair bubbles so the print does not rub off in the wash.
And you know what we could be, like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me.
I find this black diamond washing detergent works so well to keep my dark colours vibrant and not fade over time.
Got something good.
The sunshine was fantastic for drying this spring day, but before hanging out my laundry, the clothes horse needed a seriously good clean. We've had lots of rain, followed by Saharan dust, which combines fantastically well to cover everything in mud. When I finish filming today, I've got so much mud to vacuum out of the pool, and my outside windows need some serious attention just to see out. Anyway, I clean with water from the hosepipe and a damp cloth, and we can get all this washing out.
Yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could.
Springtime is such a beautiful time of the year. I love the flowers coming out. This hibiscus behind is coming into flower, and if I can keep the aphids away, this will be so pretty till autumn. And some new fruits like my Chinese plums will soon be ready to make jam with. Spring is such a refreshing time of the year. So pretty. I've been looking forward to spring cleaning my staircase and decorating this space for Easter for weeks. I bought this long mirror for upstairs just the other week. I think it looks great in the corner and it's super handy. I have some very pretty decorations for Easter for this space. I can't wait to show you how this comes out. It's just adorable. First, I'm giving this new mirror a really good clean with white vinegar and water and my microfiber cloths. It polished up lovely. I brush mop the staircase first to collect as much dog hair as possible. These brush mops are invaluable to me. With my 4 gorgeous rescue pups, there's a lot of hair, as you can see. Next, I use my vacuum. This is awesome at removing the dust, which is like a reddy brown colour here. Sure, a handheld cordless vacuum would be ideal for this staircase and safer, but since I don't have one, this vacuum removes the dust and dirt from the corners and the edges just great.
And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change.
Third load of washing going in. I'm making great progress with laundry today. Very happy.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like.
There are plenty of sunshine hours left to dry the washing. I love these longer days as we're coming into spring and summertime. It's okay this time of year, but in the full summer sunshine, I have to be so careful when I put my washing out that I bring it back in a few hours later, because the bright colours and the dark colours, they develop lines from the clothes horse to the washing line so quickly, and it ruins your clothes. But this time of year, we're okay. All of the printed t-shirts have kept their print perfectly in the wash with my hair bubble technique. Great stuff.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
I got these flowers just the other day. They are so pretty. I think it's time I take another trip to the nursery and buy some more fresh pops of colour for the front and the back. This is my favourite part of my stair cleaning ritual. I use this brush and some bleach to make the edges bright white again. Mostly I use it on the paintwork, and it just works amazingly well. In the days since I've done this, I just smile when I walk up the stairs because it looks so bright and clean and fresh and perfect again.
Do you know how much I love you?
I'm mostly using the bleach on the edges on the paintwork because I find the dust here actually stains the paintwork. You can mix the bleach with water if you prefer, and if your staircase is marble, take care using bleach so you don't create any dull patches, and if you spill then you make sure you clean up very quickly so it doesn't absorb into the pores of the marble.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
I take a nicely damp cloth over all areas to remove the bleach residue, and see all the edges are now amazingly white and bright and shiny. I do deep clean these staircase like 3 or 4 times a year to keep them fresh and bright as possible. I just don't like them looking muddy and dull on the edges. I love the edges being amazingly bright white and sparkly every day.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking.
I like to use this green apple scent Dettol antibacterial to mop the landing and the staircase, and this completes the transformation.
Just to wake you up.
I'm super careful on the staircase. I have non-slip pads on my socks. Also, I don't care if my socks get wet as long as I don't fall over.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Over time, this banister gets grubby and dusty. Pledge Clean It and my microfiber cloth make easy work of getting it clean. I'm cleaning the banister rail and then every single part of it to make sure it's dust free and also smudge and handprint free.
Forever, forever.
So now that the staircase is all clean and the mirror's clean, I can put these beautiful Easter spring decorations either side of the mirror. But they are top heavy, and my puppies, though they won't eat them at all, they will sniff them and they'll fall over. So if I put some double-sided sticky tape, like you put pictures on the wall with, underneath, that's going to keep them in place perfectly and it'll look just beautiful.
Stay here forever. I'm loving this moment.
My Easter and spring decorations have made me so cheerful. Every time I see them, the pastel colours and the flowers are spread right across my home, nearly everywhere I look, and it makes me smile. I feel so refreshed and cleansed when I know my home is clean. For me, having my home clean and pretty makes me feel a great sense of calm and happiness. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for weekly homemaking motivation and recipe ideas. If you have a moment, please leave a comment. I love reading your comments. It's lovely to hear from you and what you're doing, and they're so uplifting. Thank you. My final area to deep clean today was my downstairs toilet room. I brush mopped, vacuumed, wet mopped with my apple Dettol, and now I'm on with my limescale remover by Astonish. Limescale here is a constant battle. I swear it builds up in a day. But this brush mop on a handle with a pretty flower to keep you smiling while you're cleaning, and my scouring pad gets my sink shiny in no time. Then it just needs a little polish with this microfiber cloth and it's all sparkly again.
Of you. No matter who I try to love, it's
I get a lot of satisfaction from cleaning my mirrors, removing the marks and making them sparkle again. You can really see your progress and your achievement.
of you. Your silhouette.
I'm pouring bleach down all the inside of the toilet and letting it sit to go back with my toilet brush in 10 minutes, while I wipe down the rest of the toilet with my doctor's antibacterial wipes.
Yeah.
Final task. I use these drain cleaners quite often, once a month on the showers, to unclog the drains. They work really well and they're really cheap. That's my home filled with prettiness for spring and Easter. I love how all the pastel floral egg decorations just look adorable and elegant, filling my home with love and loveliness. Thank you so much for joining me to clean and decorate for spring and Easter. I look forward to seeing you again next time, lovelies. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye, lovelies.